The ringing of bells, separate subjects, standardized assignments, grade clusters, and heavily scheduled days all characterize two things: traditional schooling and factory lines. The structure of the classroom has not changed much since the Industrial Revolution. The teachers still stand at the front of the classroom, lectures for an hour, and the students sit there. Then they complete assignments at home and are expected to perfectly understand the material before moving on to the next unit. The one-size-fits-all approach to teaching helps those who get it, abandons those who don't, and limits those who want to learn more. Research Triangle High School is changing the paradigm. The goal is to create independent learners with self-directed learning achieved by a personalized learning plan and the Summit platform. The intention is to promote passion-oriented education by engaging with students' interests. Imagine a school where students can learn at their own pace, in their own way, and where students' only duty is to understand the material, not just pass a quiz. RTHS's flipped learning model emphasizes mastery and the progress students make throughout the year over perfection. The flipped learning model also unlocks authentic learning experiences where students learn the class material at home and critically apply the knowledge in class with hands-on activities with their classmates. This is Miss Lassiter's and Miss Cho's biology class. This is Miss Lassiter speaking in front of a class, and this is Miss Cho, pictured standing in the top left. There are three main areas where students demonstrate mastery: content knowledge, cognitive skills, and habits of success. Students learn the content areas on the Summit platform, and the Summit platform is a dashboard where students' classroom progress is kept. This is what a yearly plan looks like for a student taking 6 classes. Each class is organized into a timeline of full projects, power focus areas, additional focus areas, and challenge focus areas. As mentioned before, the class content is learned through focus areas, specifically the small rectangles. Let's see what the content is for biology in November. The blue line is where the class is, and this follows that timeline throughout the year. This is a focus area about the life of cancer cells. Focus areas are modules of content with resources including a playlist. Within this focus area is the playlist where students learn the content and they have a choice in how they learn, through readings, videos, or practice. The playlist seeks to improve student time management skills, organization, and self-advocacy. When students feel they understand the content, they take a content assessment. The goal is to pass with 80% mastery in order to be done with that particular focus area. This content area represents 21% of the student's grade. The next area of mastery is cognitive skills, where students do something with the content knowledge. In biology, students work together to show their understanding of the life cell. using pipe cleaners and strawberries under a microscope, and their inquisitive nature is stimulated when they are able to collaborate and learn together. The hands-on collaboration between individuals working towards a goal makes the class engaging and interactive. This also solidifies the content knowledge through the physical medium. Students attempt to exercise their independent nature by using each other as resources to learn from. But they also refer to their playlists of resources for assistance. Ms. Cho is never too far to answer questions, and the support from teachers and peers makes students excited to justify their explanations to Ms. Lassiter and to Ms. Cho. These in-class labs prepare students for projects, which is 70% of their entire grade. The last area of mastery are habits of success. The summit has organizational features like announcements, weekly checklists, activity feeds, and learning resources to help keep them on track. RTHS doesn't expect independence from students without the tools to help. Students work on their own time and in their own way. Some are relaxed, some are focused, and those who choose to go beyond can power through the additional focus areas that aren't required to pass a course, representing 9% of their grade. As much as students look to each other for support, their exceptional educators are always present. Teachers dedicate a time slot 4 days a week for mentoring students in various grades. Conversations range from how to manage a student's time to study for an exam to how a student is doing in their extracurricular activities. The student-teacher relationship is a 4-year bond that helps students plan and organize so they become self-dependent by senior year. Research Triangle High School guides their students on a path of self-regulation, self-advocacy, and self-discovery, creating future leaders